everyone, my name is Jocellyn. Today I am gonna use this test and toes in their sentence. How to use them tests are how to use them. This is my bag. This is my box. That is my arse. Those are my pen. Okay, now you understand. Thank you. Bye bye.